Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about different concepts from the chapter Nationalism in India. In the previous session, we were discussing about uh, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Then, in today's session, let us go for discussing one more such important movement which made possible efforts in uh, witnessing unity among uh, Hindus and Muslims. We cannot call it as Hindus particularly, other religious people with Islam or Muslim. So that is Khilafat movement. The First World War, it has ended in the year 1919 with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey. So Ottoman Turks, they are going to be defeated in the First World War, and the defeat of Ottoman empires, it made or it spread rumors that harsh peace treaty was going to be imposed on Ottoman emperors, the spiritual head of the Islamic world, that is Khalifa. The spiritual head of Islam community, that is Khalifa, and Ottoman emperors, they are going to be imposed, made to accept treaty. To defend the Calipha's temporal powers, a Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay in 1919 in order to express the supports for making Ottoman Empire and to make uh, Khalifa as the head of spiritual Islamic world. A committee was formed in Bombay, and this particular committee was named as Khilafat Committee in the year 1919 March. A young generation of Muslim leaders, particularly Ali brothers, they are going to be described in history. Ali brothers, namely Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. So, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, these are the two prominent leaders. One who played prominent role in the works of Khilafat Committee, and these Ali brothers started to discuss with Mahatma Gandhi about possible or possibilities of launching united mass action on the issue which was raised after the end of First World War in imposing treaty on Ottoman Emperor and even on the spiritual head of Islamic world, Caliph. So this action which was launched by Khilafat committee, this particular action itself is going to be described as Khilafat movement. Then Mahatma Gandhi, now he felt it is the need to launch a more broad based movement in India, but he was certain that no such movement could be organized without bringing the Hindus and Muslims close together. So, before this, I told Khilafat movement is one such important movement which was launched, which played a prominent role in making the unity among Hindus and Muslims. So now Mahatma Gandhi ji, he felt that these kind of broad based movement need to be launched in India, but he was thinking to organize bringing Hindus and Muslims closer together. Then Gandhiji saw this particular opportunity is right suitable to bring Muslims under the umbrella of unified national movement. Then in the month of September 1920, Congress annual session, which was held at Calcutta, he convinced, Mahatma Gandhiji convinced other leaders to start, to rise, to come forward for starting non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat movement as well as for Swaraj. So I repeat once again, Khilafat movement is one such important movement which was mainly raised or started after the end of First World War. So in the First World War, Ottoman Turks are going to be defeated. So Ottoman Turks made to follow or to accept harsh peace treaty. These Ottoman emperor, he was accepted as spiritual head of Islamic world, or he was also called as Khalifa. So to remain or to make Ottoman emperor to remain as a head of Islamic committee, Islamic world, so a Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay in the year 1919 in the month of March. This committee was consisted with young leaders. They are described as Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. So Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, with discussing Mahatma Gandhiji, they made possible efforts to make united mass action on the particular issue. Then Mahatma Gandhiji, he was thought or believed that launching a broad based movement in India is necessary, but he was also thought and believed that without bringing Hindus and Muslims close together, it's not possible. That's why now the present Khilafat committee, which was formed in Bombay, and the approach of Ali brothers made Gandhiji to witness possible opportunities in bringing Muslims under the umbrella of unified national movement. For that, in the Congress session held in the month of September 1920 at Calcutta, he convinced other leaders to start non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj. So with this, let me end today's session and let me discuss the other concept from the chapter in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.